We're back at Walmart. Today's super rainy day, so let's just go inside, get dry, and see what kind of deals they have. Hopefully it's a good clearance day.
Alright, so this is the barcode. These are the little Paw Patrol shoes, and they are bringing up for $7. So I am gonna check these Minnie Mouse, and the Frozen aren't, so let me check this Minnie Mouse. Let me show you a couple of shoes. Okay, so I am gonna take these. $2. They just remind me of my Birkies. These are super nice. If I find my mom's size, they're only $5, so I'm gonna take them. They have so many. And do you guys remember the ones that were on TikTok that everybody was painting? $5, you guys. The ones that look like the Air Force. And then these shoes, which are really nice, they almost look like Vans for $5. And that's it. If I see anything else, I'll let y'all know. So I found the shoes that I wanted last time, but I didn't want to pay $20, and now they're $5. And they have these right here for $4. I think at the end of the videos, I'm going to include things that I wish were on sale, but that are not. And hopefully these go. Look how nice they are. They just remind me of little Vans. Hopefully, but look, these are the shoes that I'm talking about. I know they look kind of odd, but they're ringing up for $5 from $20. I can't find my size, but I'm going to take these for my mom because I know she's going to love them. Guys, I finally found the Huggies. $168 for $190, which these 56 are also ringing up $190. So I'm super excited. I got a couple. I got like 5. My best friend's having a baby, so she's gonna be super excited. This is the barcode. Very happy about that. All right, guys, this beautiful scrub top is ringing up. It's on hidden clearance for $9, and they have it for just under $16. This is the barcode, but look how gorgeous it is. All right, so they also have this one. This is the barcode. I think I like this one better. So all these are also ringing up for $9. You guys, if it's loud, it's storming outside. So I'm gonna go through the pants and then the long sleeve ones and see what's going on with those. So they have these really 3 bins, random rims full of stuff. I just went through it and I found this little Fisher Price toy for a baby. Look how cute it looks. So it looks like that, and it's ringing up for $15, you guys. So I'm gonna go through. If there's anything worth showing, I will. Look how cute this LOL little bag is. So it's $10. I'll show you the barcode. It's really, really adorable. And it's ringing up for $5. Not bad. So there you go. And this is what it looks like. And it's like shimmery. This is so cute, and it's ringing up for $120 something. I'll show you. Tons of scrunchies for back to school for $2, you guys. Not bad. So they have the sunglasses with the case for $3, and they have tons of styles. Tons of little barrettes for little girls. This is adorable. But I don't have any kids, and I'm just gonna leave everything here. Miren, como le estaba diciendo, the sunglasses, everything is $3. They're all $3. They actually have some really cute ones. Like that one's cute. So I'm at the little kids section, and again, you guys, all these shirts, most of them are ringing up for $2. And look at this one. Okay, so I did this one. I also scanned this one, and this one that says Stay Wild. So I'm gonna scan some more and see what happens. Hopefully I find some good dollar ones, but not too bad for $2. And I'm gonna check the boys section too, because I think I concentrate a lot on the girls because I have a lot of little girls in my life. But so I am checking the boys section, and yes, you guys, most of these shirts are basically all of them are ring up for $2, and this is the brand. So go scan, guys, go scan. All right, guys, before I pay, let me do a little haul for you guys. I'm getting the Huggies, 2 pair of shoes, 1 for $4, 1 for $5, the $2 little shirt, more wipes, and it's my time to go. I gotta go. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.